Welcome to 7203 Lake Cove Drive in the Kingstown area of Alexandria, Virginia. The layout of this property is unique in the community, as walls were taken down to create bigger living spaces. In the original floor plan, this space was the living room. The current owners love to entertain. Needing a bigger room to fit a table for 12, they converted this space to their dining room. Thanksgiving and dinner parties are easily accommodated by this spacious dining room. Crown molding was added in both the dining room and the sitting area to increase the luxury aspect of the home. The sitting area was the dining room then. It was closed off from the family room with a wall separating both areas. The wall was taken out to open the space, joining both areas to create a great room. In the original floor plan, the kitchen was smaller and closed off. By knocking down a wall separating the kitchen from the family room, more cabinet and counter space were added, creating an efficient U-kitchen. The cabinets are maple and the counter is solid granite. Underneath the wall cabinets are halogen lights. These have individual controls. You can turn off the ones that you do not need. The powder room contains custom paint and chair rail molding. There are 3 bedrooms and 2 baths on the upper level. The master bathroom was smaller when the home was built. There was a wall and only enough space for a booth shower. The wall has since been taken down and a full-size tub was installed. The hall bath was retiled in 2004. A new light fixture and medicine cabinet were added last year. This bathroom contains a beautiful tiled shower. This room has custom paint, wainscoting, and a special sconce. This spacious multi-purpose area in the basement serves as a recreation room and office. It has a wood-burning fireplace and outside access through the sliding doors. This was previously a storage and laundry area, but the owners added the full bath, a bedroom, and a laundry room in 2005. This gem of a townhouse was built in 1983, but all the exterior elements, the roof, gutters, downspouts, siding, trim, windows, and exterior doors, were replaced in 2004. The bay window in the front of the house started a trend in the neighborhood. These townhouses were built with wooden bay windows, thus they often rotted out and had to be repaired or replaced. The bay window on this townhouse is wrapped in vinyl to protect the wood, allowing easier maintenance of the facade. All the wood trim on the exterior facade is wrapped in vinyl. Just as in any townhouse community, you are responsible for your own patch of land. The flagstone landscaping on the front yard requires very little maintenance. This townhouse has 3 levels, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and a walkout basement. The deck was built in 2006. The property backs to Huntley Meadows Park, the second biggest park in Fairfax County, with 1,000 acres of open parkland. The patio and fenced-in yard give you direct access to the park. A paved trail in the back leads into the playground. You can go past the playground and cross a bridge into Huntley Meadows. The community is centered on this body of water. A spring-fed, man-made lake with a bigger pond on the south and a smaller pond on the north, connected by a short canal in the middle. The lake and the community are called Lake Devereux. The lake is stocked with fish, so you can go fishing during the warmer months. Kayaking and canoeing are also allowed. There is abundant parking in the townhouse cluster. More than 70 unmarked guest parking spots are available, as well as street parking. You can have a party and not have to worry where your guests park. The townhouse is not far from the children's playground and tennis courts, which were refurbished in 2005.